cooling, heating, energy consumption on the premises, and that is definitely something that is nowadays something that's coming up a lot, because yeah, I think that when I was talking a lot about energy efficiency, and I mean, we see that, for example, the west part of the US is now seeing temperatures of 40, 45 degrees. So we kind of are confronted with the reality of climate change, and so yes, there would be there is a big need to see and to identify energy waste in the building. So there are so I would say, would Danfoss PICV be able to do this? The short answer is yes. The long answer is pretty complicated, I would say, but we do have versions that actually combine flow meters, for example, with PICVs, which then gives you, together with digital actuators, gives you a perfect, let's say, energy view of the building. Because essentially what you need to do is you need to know the flow and you need to know the differential temperature, because the flow and the differential temperature basically give you how much energy goes to a certain application. So let's say a room or an air handling unit. So and there is also different levels of precision that you can have there. What we say is that basically, because of the predictability of our PICV is more or less, if you know how far it's open, that you can basically see what is the flow. And if you have the delta T measured, then you know also what is the energy use. And this can be very useful as a quick fix to see what is the comparative energy use in buildings. And actually, I mean, as we see, BREEAM, for example, asks for this this energy measuring, and we can actually, and they accept PICV as a solution. So PICV with Novacon, our digital actuator, is a solution that can be used, for example, to score BREEAM points. So now, because we are talking about energy efficiency much more nowadays, also additional precision is sometimes requested. We can say, is it needed, yes or no? That's another question. But and this is also probably, I think, where the EPIV comes from, because it can measure the precision pretty precisely. So, and if you want that precision, then yes, we also have solutions that basically combine flow meters with our PICV. But the important difference here is that our solution always includes a mechanical pressure controller, and that is the crucial part about the control, because we can put all kinds of functions on control valves. However, the important part is that it is a control valve. So you want to have proper control in your building, you want to have proper control in your room. And then, energy meters have existed for decades, basically. So if you want to be really precise, you would have to use an energy meter. Are there solutions in between? Yes, there are. Does Danfoss, by the way, we also sell energy meters. And we have every solution in between. Does the PICV in itself can do it? Yes, it can. However, there are certain limitations on how precise this is.